Every day, people laugh, study, work, and smile. But behind those smiles, some are silently fighting battles no one sees.
People think I'm okay. They say I'm just tired or dramatic, but they don't know how heavy everything feels.
Many young people experience anxiety, stress, and emotional struggles, but often feel afraid to speak up.
Makakapasa kaya ako? Worth it ba ito? Pagod na ako, hindi ko na ito kaya. Kayanin ko ba? Hirap maging slow learner. Paano kaya pag di ako Sana naman kaya ako kukuha ng pera para pang-aral? Kaya ang trabaho papasok. Worth it ba ito? Makakapasa kaya Hindi ko na alam gagawin. Pagod na ako.
Hindi ka naman talaga makakagraduate. Bobo ka talaga. Sumuko ka na. Hindi ka naman talaga patinino. Bobo ka talaga. Wala kang kwento. Sumuko ka na. Wala kang kwento. Mamatay ka na. Wala kang kwento. Mamatay ka na. Wala kang kwento. Mamatay ka na. Mamatay ka na. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Stress, anxiety, and emotional struggles can affect anyone. A simple conversation can make a difference. Listening, understanding, and showing kindness can help someone feel seen.
Take my hand and let's go. Your strength is all that I know, and so there's a fire growing in you. I can see your light shine through. Oh, it's hard to get there, but I keep on running. Oh, I can do it, 'cause I know that baby I am worth it.
Talking about mental health is not weakness.
It's a strength.
Seeking help is okay.
And you are never alone.
Let's break the stigma.
You are not alone. Speak up, reach out, and support each other.
Don't listen to the voice inside your head. You're doing just fine, you're trying your best, and no one ever told you it's all gonna be okay.